Good day, students. Today we are going to be compounding chart using a tablet powder. The new formula is amlodipine 5 milligram tablet powder. We'll be weighing 0.3142 grams, starch 0.4358 grams. The two powders will be combined geometrically to form a homogeneous mixture. Weigh 3 portions of 150 milligram to be packaged in a pre-folded chart paper. The material for compounding the chart are 5 milligram tablet, amlodipine 5 milligram tablet, and starch. If you remember, we have you in the other video of preparing solid, we have shown you how to prepare solid before weighing. So you are going to refer to that video of how to prepare solid before weighing. We are going to be demonstrating to you how to weigh the solid. As students, we are at the station where we are going to be weighing. This balance is on already, but I'm going to zoom in to show you where you have the on button and where you have the off button. On my right hand side, you can see the on and off, and on my left hand side, you can see the 0. So if you turn it on and the reading is not what you want, you need to 0 it. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be showing you how to weigh the substance. Okay, we are about to weigh the amlodipine 5 milligram tablet powder. We want to weigh 314.4 milligram. And the balance we have here is in grams. So we are going to be having, on the reading, we are going to be having about 0.3144. So she's about to start to weigh, and I'm going to show you all the instruments that she carried with her. She have the weighing boat that she's going to be using. She have the brush. For an instant, if the powder pour on the balance, she's going to have to dust it off. She have a processed tablet powder that she have, the tablet she has crushed. So these are the things that she's going, and she have her paper with her to document her information. So she's about to begin to weigh. She's placing the weighing boat on the balance. She closed the door, and there's a reading for the weighing boat. So she's going to 0 the weighing boat. Small quantity at a time. Okay, now this is the reading. Now we are back at the station. We are about to compound the product, which is the amlodipine 5 milligram tablet powder, which is a 314.4 milligram that we just weighed. We have the starch, which is also weighed already, 435.6 milligram. These two powders are going to be mixed geometrically. So we have the glass malt already, so we are going to be going through the mixing. And for geometric dilution, we start from the smallest one. If you look at this two visually, we have the amlodipine 5 milligram tablet, which is the smallest. So that will be going first into the mortar, and then we are going to take an visually equal amount of the starch and mix it until we have homogeneous powder. We regroup and then we add the rest. So she's going to start. Now she has transferred all the amlodipine 5 milligram tablet powder, which is 314.4 milligram, into the glass mortar. She's going to take the starch and she will add visual equal amounts. So if you look at it, it's like the same amount. So she's going to mix them together geometrically. When we are doing mixing geometrically, this time around there's no pressure. We are just lightly triturate to mix the powder together. So if she mixes, she's going to use a rubber spatula to regroup, scrape whatever is on the pestle. We don't use the glass. We don't use the metal spatula to scrape the glass. So we use the rubber. She's going to regroup, mix one more time, and then she's going to go back again to get the rest of the powder. Okay, she regroups, and then she's going to add, if you look at what is left in the, it's basically equal amount of what is in the mortar. So she's going to scrape all what is in the weighing boat and add it to the mortar. So she's going to mix now. She's doing the same thing again, regrouping. And mix one more time to ensure that you have a homogeneous powder. Okay, it is from this powder mass It is from this powder mass that we are going to weigh each powder that needs to contain in each chart. And if I take you back to the master formula, the new formula, each chart is to weigh 150. So we have mixed 314.4 milligram of the amlodipine tablet powder, 435.6 of the starch. We have mixed them geometrically, and the powder mass now, from the powder mass, we are going to weigh 3 different 150 milligram of the chart, which will be dispensed to the patient.